Okay, Buchi, we have another pair of equipments that'll help you out in your scale-up activities in the process development and high-potent API Payload-Linker lab here. But first off, I wanted to mention that hissing noise that we hear is actually the air supply being fed to this HPLC skid. The chemistry that you use requires a lot of highly flammable solvents. At the large scale of production that'd be done in this lab, you'd be using a lot of flammable solvents. This compressed air hissing noise that you hear is compressed air being fed to an evacuation chamber in this piece of equipment that prevents any flammable fumes from gathering inside the electrical components of this device, which allows you to use it in a scenario where you have large amounts of flammable solvents. These specific pieces of equipment are an HPLC skid and a corresponding 15-centimeter column. These work together to purify the reagents that we make in the 100-liter reactor to purify and separate the products from the reagents. The HPLC skid itself contains UV measuring devices, pH measuring devices, and conductivity measuring devices to help separate the products from the waste reagents, and then a series of computer-controlled pumps and valves that will direct the product towards a desired tank, and then the waste products to separate vessels.
Thanks, Kevin. Yeah, actually all these capabilities of this preparative HPLC skid and also the 15-centimeter column are a very important value addition in Payload-Linker chemistry. Given the complex nature of the chemistry itself, for the intermediates as well as the final product, we will need to use this more often in the purification of the products to be able to separate those impurities from the product itself. This helps us gain and achieve a highly pure product, and very important in the payload chemistry arena. So given the ability of this instrument to do or collect 10 fractions allows us to collect impurities in tandem to what we are utilizing this for product purification. Given that our 15-centimeter preparative HPLC column can handle up to 4 kg resin, which allows us to do purifications in several grams in one go, and the capability of the instrument to do repeated injections without any interruption. The automation that is built into the system helps us to do several hundreds of injections without any challenge. This allows the purification from grams to several hundred grams, and given the loading on the column, we can go up to kilos as well. This is definitely, I agree with you, a very important equipment in Payload-Linker suites.